Okay, are you able
Yes.
to see my screen now?
Yes.
But is it the GNS3 you are saying or the Google browser?
No, this is the GNS3.
Okay, so all these configurations here, I already completed it. It was just to do the route. I tried configuring the route, it wasn't working. But
Okay.
as we used to do in CCNA with packet tracer, once you just save, if you see here,
Hmm.
I already saved it as
Could you
route.
please could you please show me this go to R1? Go to
Show you
R1.
what?
Go to the R1 window. R1.
Okay. I didn't use the write or write mem command. I saved it here. So when I opened
Hmm.
it a few minutes ago,
Hmm.
all the IP addresses that I assigned, all of them were gone.
Okay. How you
So
need
I'm
to
not
do that one? Let me tell you. Okay, go to R1.
okay. I'm trying to move it up here. Okay.
Yes, just move it up. Yes. Now put the IP address.
I
Yes,
already did
IP
it. I already did it. I already did for R1,
R2,
R2.
R3.
I'm doing it for R3 now as you came up.
Okay, do it for R3, R4, or for all, do the IP address. Then I will
Yeah,
tell you.
all the IP addresses, I already did them. It including the route, but maybe I didn't get the route. But the only thing I did was that I didn't use the write memories command. I was thinking if I save it from
No,
here,
no, 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 no.
that
What you
it will
need to
say,
do, you need to do the right memory, then you need to save it from there.
yeah. So that's what I learned. That's what I learned.
Yes,
Unlike
yes, yes.
the packet tracer, once you save the file, it will save all the configurations as well. So I didn't know that it
Yes,
doesn't
no,
apply to
here you need to
GNS3.
do the right memory, then you need to do the save.
Okay, yeah.
Every time. If you will not do the save, then it will not store your memory. Means it will not keep the data. It will erase. Okay.
Okay,
And
so
the
that's what I
routing
learned.
was not good. What you have tried? The routing was not good.
It wasn't going. Maybe what I didn't get right
Okay.
was the white card mask, the routing.
Okay.
What I was trying
Hmm.
to do.
Hmm.
Okay, let me do it for maybe router one and router two, and correct me if I got it right.
Now
Uh,
Control C. Do Control C.
router, yeah, RP thing.
Okay.
So,
Before that, just before that, could you please show me which version you are using?
uh,
Which iOS you are using?
iOS,
Yes, go Control C. Do the Control C or do subversion. Go to
is
this.
it here?
Yes, do type
Control
do
C.
no or do
Do
then space so then space version 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 yes version. Now could you please show me 37 to 12.4? Okay, now you need to put the command no auto. Right again. Put no auto summary. Listen, if whenever you are using any iOS below 15.0, then that time it will auto summarize. Means your 10/24 will be auto summarized into 10. 1/24 will be auto summarized into 1/8. Okay, it will not support the subnet. Means it will auto summarize. I will explain in the lab. Okay, so you need to do the no auto summary. Do no auto summary.
uh yeah now
No
no.
space auto. No auto hyphen summary. Auto hyphen then SU. Yes. Tab. Yes. Okay. Now put the network.
So
10
this is why I had the problem. Will it be 10.0
dot
dot
two.
0 dot 0
No. This will be 10.1.12.0.
dot 1
Dot 12.
dot 0,
Yes.
and then the white card mask, will it be 0.255?
Yes. If wildcard mask, it is not mandatory. If you want, you can put. If you don't want, you don't put. 0.0.255.
Okay.
Network
I've done it.
1.1. Could you
Okay.
please one more network loop back one? What you have taken? It's slacks
Yeah,
24 or slacks 32? What you have taken? No, no.
it's last 32.
Slacks 32 you have taken. Okay, then you need to put okay. 10.1 13.0. Okay. If you
Okay.
want to remove the wildcard mask, also it's fine. Only network will be also work. No worry. Then
Okay,
network.
but
Yes, tell me.
I can enter.
I'm not
Should
getting
I
you.
press should I press enter now?
Yes, should you can press enter. Now network 1.1.1.1. No need to put wildcard mask. Just I want to show you without wildcard mask also it will work. Network 1.1.1.1. Okay. Now no need to wildcard mask. Enter. Then one more network 192.168.10. That is the loopback. 192.168.10.0. Okay, enter. Do same thing on R2.
I will do no auto sum here too.
Yes, yes. No auto summary you need to do on the R2 also because it's iOS is less. Means it's below 15. Okay, no auto. Enter. It will work. No auto. Enter. Then network 10.1.12.0. No need to put wildcard mask without wildcard mask. Not 10.1.12.0 because you have taken flux 24.
Okay. 10 dot
10.1.12.0. One more network will be 10.1.13.0. Put enter. Yes. 13.0. 2.2.2.2. Enter. 2.2.2.2. Network 2.2.2. Okay, enter. Network 192.168.20.0. No. 192.168.20.0. You have given a space and put 0. Yes. Type again. No, put the 20.0 directly because it is slash 24 we have taken.
Okay, so this one requires a wildcard mask.
No need to require wildcard mask. Type yes 20.0. Why? Because if you will go into the loop back, okay, now do Control C. Do show run interface loopback 0. No, show run. Now you can see you have taken 24. It will be slacks 24 because 255.255.255.0 means it's the slacks 24. So you need to advertise like 192.168.20. Why? Because first three update are fixed and last update it's 0. In wildcard mask, it's 0 means you need to check all the bit. Sorry, you need to ignore everything. Okay. So what does that in the subnet 0? So you can take anything. So that will be the 192.168.20.0. Now, if you will see, are you able to see the network in between 1 to 2? You can see one
Yes,
network
yes,
is
I can
192.
see
If you
192.10
just try to do ping
and
1.1.1.1.
okay,
Good
going
now.
through. Yeah. So before I didn't save that time, this was the only part I haven't done. So at least I've understood what I didn't understand then. So the wildcard mask.
Wildcard mask here is not mandatory. If you
Okay.
want, You can put only subnet you can put, but another way is also there. If you will put network 0.0.0.0, suppose type config t,
Type what?
type config t, router EIGRP1.
1.
You have taken one AS number. ASN, what you have taken? Router.
I took ASN 10.
Okay, then took 10. Then just put a command, don't press enter. Network 0.0.0.0 space 0.0.0.0. Don't put enter. Don't put enter. Okay. If you will enter this one, this will also work. But what does it mean? 0.0.0.0 means you are
That's
advertising all the
default.
network. All the network, whatever is connected to the R2, all the network will be advertised. Okay. This way also you can remove this one.
Oh, okay. So meaning that I can go to
Remove this one.
R3 and do that 0.0.
Yes, if you want, you can do. Go to R3.
Okay, I'm on R3 now. This is R3.
Config T.
Yeah, I'm already on config T. I'm configuring.
No, I'm not able to see. I can see only IP. You have given IP address 192.168.13.1.
Yeah. I'm about to run the complete it. Okay,
Okay.
let me. What's the one for? Okay, let me. Bench. Show IP limit. Okay, I haven't assigned the two loopbacks for R3. Okay, so maybe we can just start as we continue. Are we?
Okay, you can do it later. Let me share and let me show this all these steps. Okay, so that you can do it. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Lovely. It's clear now to you.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. R1 router EIGRP1 no to network 10.1.12.0. If you want, you can take the wildcard mask 0.0.0.255. Okay.
Yeah, that's
That
what we used. That's the one we
yes.
used.
Yes. Okay. So Femi, what does it mean? What is the use of this wildcard mask?
It means that any network that starts with the given value.
No. Here actually what has been 10, 1, 12 data. So whenever you will put the
And meaning
wildcard
that
mask.
any network that starts with that 10, the value of
Yes.
10 dots
10,
followed by
1, yes. 10, 1, 12. It will check. In wildcard mask here in SEL, the 1, this one 0, 0, 0, 0. It will just see this one. If it will be 10, it will be 10, it will be 12. These 3 bits it will check. For 255, it will be all bits are 1. No need to check.
Okay. Okay.
It will be ignored. So whatever value will come here, 1 to 254, any value, any IP will come here, it will pass, it will work. But here, he will check. 0, 0, 0 means check. It will check that it should be mandatorily 10, then 1, then 12. This is 0 means in the wildcard it will be 255. 255 means all are 1, and as per SEL, 1 means no need to check. It will pass. So if any value here come, any network means any IP 10, 1, 12, 1, 10, 1, 12, 2, it will work. Got it? What is the meaning of this wildcard mask here?
Which one?
No, I am telling that what does the meaning of wildcard mask? Why you are putting the wildcard? Try to understand in wildcard mask or SCL. 0 means check.
Okay.
1 means ignore. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now is 0. 0 means it's binary. What will be the binary value? All bits are 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what does mean 0? Check. What it will check?
Check.
All the bits. It will check whether the first octet will be 10 or not. Then second octet will be 10 or not. Then third octet will be 10 or not.
12.
Because
Okay.
all are 0. Now 255. What does it mean 255? 1, 1, 1, 1. All of the value will be 1. Am I right? As per binary.
Yes.
So 1 means it will ignore. It will not check anything on fourth octet. Any value come in between 1 to 54. Sorry, 254, it will pass. So any IP will come 10, 1, 12.1, 10, 1, 12.2, 3, 4, whatever value will come, it will pass. Means in EIGRP it will work. Got it? What does the main value of the wildcard mask here?
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
So if you now make it 0, 0, 0, 0, that means it should check all the values.
Yes. Suppose you will put network 1.1.1.1 and you will put 0.0.0.0. It means it will pass only this one because all value will be, all octet will be checked. It should be 1, it should be 1, it should be 1, it should be 1. Only one IP will be passed on that time. But if you will put 1.1.1.0, 0.0.0.255. So any number in between 1.1, 1 to 255, everything will work. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now you can take network n.1.13.0 network 1.1.1.1 because here I have taken 32.
Yes.
Network
Yes.
192.168.10.0. Here I have taken 24, so I have taken the 24. Okay. 32 means this is specific IP, so I have taken 1111. Clear?
Yes. So for the last one, are we not using a white card
This
for
one,
192 for 192.168?
if you want to use the wildcard mask, you can use. In EIGRP, wildcard mask is optional. If you want to use, you can use. If you don't want to use, no need to use.
Okay. What of in is what of it in OSPF? Is it also optional in
Mandatory.
OSPF? Okay, it's mandatory in OSPF.
Yes.
All right, but it is optional in
EIGRP.
EIGRP. Okay,
Yes.
good. Get that.
Now in R2, what are the network there in R2? 2
We
will be
have
there.
192.168.22.
20. Then
Yes.
12 will be
We
there.
also
25
have
will be there.
12 and then 25.
Okay. What are the values on R3?
For R3,
It will be 3.
there's something that I was hoping the the other one there, did you make it 34? I was hoping it should be 35.
Okay, just a minute. Let me do one thing. This one, this will be 13, and this will be 34. Okay, which one you are telling? What I need to
Yeah,
do?
this one you just made 34 now. I was
Yes.
thinking maybe it should be 35.
No, this
Since
will
you have
be
45, we had
no. It
45.
is 3/4, so 34.
It's okay, okay. That's what I used.
Okay, one more thing I need to tell you. What is the meaning of no auto? Means in the iOS version, whenever you will use any, right now no one is using below 15. Everyone is using greater than 15. Okay. So if you are using below 15 iOS, it will by default auto summary. What by default auto summary means? Suppose you have a network of 10.1.1.0/25. Whenever it will go, what it will do means this network under the EIGRP, it will put like this. In the NRC, I will show you. We have a lab for this. So 10.00008 instead of 24, it will make this as 10 because of auto summary. So whenever you will use below 15 iOS, try to remember that you need to put this command no auto summary. But if you are using any iOS which is greater than 50, by default it is not enabled, so you don't need to do anything. Clear?
Okay, my own that I checked, what was it?
You have you can see it is 12 point something.
Okay, okay.
Do this command. Go to this mode. Put
Show
version.
version. Show version.
You can see the version is 12.2 1 year.
Can it be upgraded?
Yes, you can upgrade, but in GNS it's very difficult. You can go with the 7200. 7200 it is 15.
Okay, this one has to do with the router image.
Yes, it's the router image.
Okay.
Now you can just see if you have the new image, you can install the new image also.
I see, I see.
Okay. Okay. Now okay. Now R3 I did. What about the R4? It's 34. Okay. R4 34 is there. One is 45 will be there.
And then
4 will be there.
92, fancy sets 40.
40 will be there. R5 will be there. In R5
Yes.
it will be 45. Another one will be 25.
That will be
5
50.
50.
Okay, are you able to send the configuration to me on
I
the
will
chat?
send. Yes, I will send you. Just let's finish this one, then I will send. Okay.
Okay, L3. Just follow.
If I will see here, You can see I have all the routes 1, 2, 3, 4. Why I don't able to see 5?
It's because you're already you are in 5.
Yes, I am in 5. So the 5 network will be the connected network for me. Okay, if you will see on the show IP road, this 5 network will be my connected network.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So it will not in the EIGRP. Now you can see every routes I have. If I will try to ping 1.1.1.1, it is fine. If I will try to ping 2.2.2.2, it will be fine. 3.3.3.3 will be fine. 4.4.4.4 will be fine. So I have the complete traceability.
Okay.
Okay, I have given in the chat.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, now let me show you something here. I'll go one by one. Once you have pasted, please let me know.
Is it on the
Chat.
lab? I've
On,
pasted it. I've copied it from the chat,
okay.
but I've not pasted it on the
No,
lab.
no need to paste on the lab. Please do paste on the notepad and save it.
Yeah, I already saved it. I
Yes,
already
okay.
saved.
Okay, then it's good. Thank you. Now, let's see. We need to know some basic command in the EIGRP. Suppose you are working on an environment where you did not know which is your neighbor, means which you don't have the LLD diagram, you don't have the HLD diagram, you don't know what are the neighbors. You are new to this company, so some basic things you need to know to see how I can see my neighbor. So IP EIGRP neighbor. Now you can see my neighbor is coming up. I have two neighbor, yes or no?
Yes.
One is R2, another is R3. This is the IP, R3 IP and R1 IP. Okay. Now, what I have told you, if I want to see the topology table.
Show IP topology, EIGRP
No,
topology.
so IP EIGRP topology. Actually, for this command, you need to put all links. Okay, let me show you. Now, are you able to see this one? 5.5.5.5. Yes. How many
As the
paths I have?
successor. Okay.
How many paths I have?
4.
No, two paths. Via this one, via this one. If I want to
Okay.
go from
2.
R1
Okay, are
to,
you referring to route path? Okay, yeah, that's 2 paths.
yes. If I want to go from R1 to R5, means from R1 to 5.5.5.5, how many paths I have? Two paths I have.
2.
Got
Yeah.
it? Now,
Yeah.
would you able to see which is my FD? This
I
one
thought
will
it
be
will.
this one is the FD.
Okay, that's already shown it. FD.
This one is FD.
Feasible distance.
This one is AD.
Okay, the first one is of AFD.
Yes.
Second is AD.
Yes. First one is FD. Second one is AD. Clear? Now, could you
Yeah,
please tell me which path will be the best path?
that will be. Is it for 5? For that 5.5 or 5?
Yes, for
Or
5.5.5.5. Could you please
that
tell
would
me?
that would be the 10.1.12.
Means this one.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. Because of the
Because
lowest
it has
FD.
the lowest FD.
Yes,
Yes.
very good. So in this way, you need to know which one is my best pool. You don't need to calculate anything. It is auto-calculated, but yesterday I have told you the formula. One lab I will do. We will do the manual calculation there. Okay. But you don't need to do. On real environment, no need to do. It will be everything will be automated. Okay. Okay. These things is clear. So IP, EIGRP topology, so IP, EIGRP never.
Neighbor, yes.
Okay. Now let's do two things. Let me go to R1. Okay. Let's in R1. Okay. Let's create, we'll do the summarization. Now, do you have any idea about the summarization? Why we need the summarization? Why we generally use the summarization?
No,
Any idea?
no.
Summarization you did not do on the CCNA?
Maybe I forgot, but I can't
Okay.
remember.
Okay. Summarization, what you need to do in summarization, suppose you have 4 network. For an example, I will create this one. 10, suppose 101.1.4.1. 101.1.4.2. 101.1.4. Sorry. For 101.1.4.1. 101.1.5.1. 101.1.6.1. 101.1.7.1. Okay. Now you have 4 networks. All are in the slash 24. If you will summarize this network, first of all, you need to advertise this network on the EIGRP. If you will advertise this all the network in EIGRP and you will see the show IP route EIGRP, then all the show if you will show this one, show IP route EIGRP, then what will happen on all the other routers, you will see each route. Now my routing table is big. If routing table big means load on the router will be also high. So that
Okay.
what I can do, I have a option, I can summarize this 4 network into one. Okay. Whatever the value will come and CIDR value will become. Okay. So once I will summarize this for network and I will advertise under the EIGRP, then on EIGRP, instead of 4 networks on other routers, you will just see only one.
Okay.
So my routing table will be less, load will be less. For a network administrator, you can see it's a less number of routes. Okay. Suppose out of 4 routes, only 1 route is fluffing there. Any issue with the 1 route, so we have the summarize. Then there will be no issue on the routing table also, no update. Okay. This is the reason we are generally doing the summarization. But how we'll do this for network summarization? What is the process? I will explain you. Just give me 1 minute. I will back. Just 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, let's go one by one step. First, create this for loop back on the router. Okay, let's create on router 1. Okay, let me put in the R1 4 5 6 7. Okay. Now advertise this
Okay,
for
I have a question.
okay.
When you are planning your configuration on a notepad like this, on after the first two lines, that exclamation mark you put there, what is the essence?
Now, if you will not put the exclamatory mark, there will be no issue. It is just for it will means it will for a good understanding. Means I have just divided this one. If I will put this one, there will be a blank. No issue. If you will directly put this command, it will also work. No issue.
Okay,
This is just to
okay,
make it different.
okay, I see.
Okay.
Okay,
And if exclamatory mark you will put on the router, it will take, but there will be no function of this one. There will be no function. And if in front of explanatory mark you will write something, it will not work. In front of explanatory mark, don't write anything, any command, it will not work. Okay.
okay, so we're adding all these 1, 2, 3, 4 loop back on R1.
Yes, I have already added. You can see.
Okay,
If you'll go, so IP int brief. You can see.
yes, yes.
Okay. Now what you need to do? Advertise this for loop back under the EIGRP on R1. What is the command for that? Router EIGRP1. Then
Is it 1 or 10?
yes, this one of them. Network of 101.1.
But in my own case, because I'm using ASN 10, I will
Yes,
stick with 10, right?
yes, you need to stick with 10. For
Let me say I made a mistake.
5, no problem. You can just instead of 1, you can put 10. That's it.
Yeah, I already pasted it without looking at it.
No,
So that
it will not work. Just instead of 1, you can take 10. That's it. It will work.
if I want to remove it, I will do
No router, no
no
router
route.
EIGRP, no router EIGRP1. That's it.
So what of the IP addresses under it?
Means I'm not getting you what you are telling.
Okay. Should I share my screen?
Okay, just let me complete this one, then you can share. Okay. On right now, I am advertising this for loop back in the EIGRP. Okay. If you'll go to R1, now I have advertised this loop back. If you'll go to R5, so IP to EIGRP. You can see all the network of 101, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are you able to see?
Yes. 4, 5, 6, 7.
You can see specific network I have put, include 101.1. All the
Okay.
4
How
networks.
do I
No, your voice is not audible.
Yeah, I didn't understand how you did the advertising. Is it just by adding it to the table
Yes,
that you
but
advertised it?
yes, by through the network advertisement. I under EIGRP 1, I have just advertised this one, like this, just advertised like this one.
Okay, just the same way we had routes.
Yes, under the network. It's not adding routes, it's advertising the network. Okay. So right now you have this poor network on all the routes, all the routers. If you'll go to other router also, you can see this poor network. You can see.
Yes.
You can see. You can see. Now what I want, I don't want all these individual routes. I want this summarization of this one, 4, 5, 6, 7. How I can do the summarization? How I need to do the summarization?
Continue.
Hundred one dot 4. It is a /24. Okay, it's
Yeah,
4 means
yes.
this value is continuously changing. 101.1.5, 101.1.6, 101.1.7.
So
These bits are changing. Yes or no?
yes,
These two are fixed.
those are
Okay.
that's the network.
Yes. These are fixed. These are completely fixed. Okay. This third octet in class C network, /24, it is the third octet is continuously changing. So for this third octet individually, you need to write this one under a binary form. Got it? If you will write
But
this,
it still remains one octet.
no, that is the last one. No need to take because we are in the /24.
Yeah, but that's 10.1.4. Still remains one more octave.
No, that will be 1.
101. Okay, dot one. Okay, dot one.
No
Dot
need to
one.
take
Okay.
because this is the last one. Okay, it is same and it is in the, we are doing in the /24. Third octet is continuously changing. We need to
Okay.
change on the third network. Got it? Now, yes. Now this changing octet, third octet, is it possible for you to write the binary form of the 4? Is it possible for you?
I think so.
Okay. So what it will be? Suppose binary form will be like 1, 2, 4, 8,
8,
16,
16,
32,
32,
64,
64,
188.
128.
Oh. Now what will be the value of the 4? This one, 1.
That's 1, 0, 0, 0, 0,
5 means
0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0,
6 means
0, 0, 0.
any doubt till now?
Okay, so in the
Hmm.
last, that's for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. The last binary line, what was it for?
7.
That's last one. 6, 4. Okay, yeah, got it. Okay.
Got it?
Yes, yes.
Now we need to identify how many bits are common. Could you please tell me how many bits are common? Up to this one is common.
Is it for the one that were turned on or turned off?
No, it is common bits. Whether it is turned on, whether it is turned up. Common bits means every place should be the same value. Here it will be 0, 0, 0, 0. 0, 0,
Yes,
0,
yes.
0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0,
Yes, yes,
0, 0, 0,
yes.
0, 1, 1,
And
1,
then
1.
1, 1, 1, 1.
Okay.
Yes.
Now,
6.
on these common bits, you need to check which are the on bits. What is the 1 bits? Only this one?
4. Yes.
For? Got it?
Yes.
So my network value will be now 101.1.4.0. And what will be my subnet mask? Again, the same thing. You need to check how many bits are common. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are common bits.
6.
Till 6.
Yes.
And these are also common. The first octet and the second octet means 8 plus 8. Now it will be 6. So it will be /22. 8 plus 8 plus 6.
Come again. The 22. You
Okay,
said
22.
8 plus 8.
Yes, 8 plus 8 means you can see this is 101.1. Means these are fixed. 8.
Yeah, that's 8.
8 means 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Binary form is 8. Okay, it's 8. It's 8. These are fixed. So 8 plus 8. Now I am changing on the third octet. Now third octet, how many bits are common? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Yes.
Then what will be the value?
That's
22.
16 plus 6. Yes.
22. If I want to write 22 in the subnet mask, what it will be?
255. That's 255. That's 252. Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now do the summarization. Simple. On each interface you need to do. On R1, how many interface I have?
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No. Physical interface.
2, 2.
Okay.
F is 0/1 and 0/0.
Okay. You need to put this command IP summary address. What is my and for which one? EIGRP 1. And what is the value? 10. So 101.1.4.0
252.0.
Same thing you need to put for the F0/1.
Okay.
Now if I'll go to R2,
So why did you clear the IP route?
means sometimes it required because routing table will be updated. But if you want to do it as soon as possible, then you need to do the clear IP route start. It will just soft reset. It will update your routing table without
Okay,
any
re-update.
yes, without any network downtime. In the BGP, I will let you know what is the hard reset. We will use the same command. There it is. I need to tell you what is the soft reset, what is the hard reset. Okay. Now you can see only you will see this network, only one network. If I will put so IP to EIGRP, you can see not all the networks. It will be just only 101.4.0 that will be under /22.
Yes. 4.
Clear?
Okay. Yes, yes.
Okay. This is the summarization.
4/ wait. That's 4. Where is it again? You didn't put the subnet mask there.
This one 22. This is the subnet mask.
Okay, 101.0.0.22. Okay, yes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So the summarization notes you also send me.
Yes. Save this one.
Okay. All right. Copied.
Once done, please let me know.
Yeah, I already copied it, copied and pasted
Okay.
it. You can,
Okay.
you can
Now
continue.
this part is finished. Okay. Now I need to show you another lab. Any doubt on this?
No, no.
Oh, what happened? Just a minute.
Okay.
Okay. Now could you please take the snap of this? Here what I will do, I will manually change this bandwidth and we will see how the metric will be calculated and how which path the routes are following. Everything we will do on this lab. Okay.
Okay.
Take the snap.
I already did that.
Okay. Now let's do the basic configuration. Let me see what configuration it is here. IP is there, IP is there. No other configuration. Okay, let's do the EIGRP configuration. Could you
Okay.
please see any doubt on the IP? It's 4545, 5656, 4646. This site is .4.4, .5.5, .6.6. Two loopbacks I have taken 4/8, 44/24, same 58, 5524, 6/8, 66/24. Any doubt on the IP part?
No.
Okay. Basic EIGRP configuration. This is for the second lab.
Variance.
R1, Router
There's no
EIGRP.
R1. There's no R1 yet. Maybe
There
R4
is
or R5.
R4. Okay. R4 router EIGRP1. No auto network 192.1.45.0.
But I thought you
Yeah.
said it has to have some, no auto dash some.
What?
The no auto.
Yes, no auto. Yes.
Will it work like that? No
Yes,
auto,
yes,
or
yes. It will
you
work.
just have
It
to
will.
do no
No, it
auto
will.
sum?
No auto summary. This is the complete command. No auto summary. This is the complete command. If you will also just put no auto, it will understand. Means it's not a summary.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Network for dot zero dot zero dot zero dot zero. Network 44.44.44.0. R4, just basic EIGRP, let's do. Then we'll see the path. R5. R5 5645. 5 55.55.55.0. Then R6. R6 is will be 5646.
But
56
I have a
46.
question
Yes, tell me. 6.
for the two
Hmm?
loop backs there.
Hmm. Hmm. Yes.
Instead of you having it 4.0.0.0, why can't you also have 44.0.0.0 instead of 44.44.0?
Okay. What will be the problem? Here, what will be the 41st subnet? Slacks 24. What does mean? It slacks 24
That
means
means
my
it is the
first 3 octet
it,
will be fixed.
first three
It,
objects are fixed.
yes, these should be 44, 44, 44. Last, you can take anything in between 0 to 254.
Okay.
Okay, got it?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Now let me copy this one and paste on the routing table in the router. R2, R5. R6. Okay. So I should ping from 4 to 6.
Yes.
Why?
Okay, you do 66.
Oh, it's 66. Oh,
Okay,
what
you have
it
to
is. I
remove
need to
that one.
change. So, yes. It also, it is good. Here, I need to change. Okay. Config the
Yes,
interface.
loop back one.
To take one IP address 6.6.6.6 to 55.0.
I thought you have first of all remove the other one.
What?
I thought maybe to remove it, you will have to first of all do no IP hard 66.
No. If you want to do no interface loopback one, okay, that will also fine. But in the IP, suppose you want to modify this IP directly, you can go this interface. You can put another IP. That IP will be taken. Okay, no need to move. First, no interface. No, you can directly go to that interface. You can put a new IP. It will be ready. It will take.
Okay.
Got it. Now, okay. Now I have the complete reachability. I think I should have the 66. So okay. Now it is ready. But as per this diagram, I need to change the bandwidth. Here you will also know how I can change the bandwidth. What is this
Okay.
bandwidth? I have taken 50 Mbps,
50
5
Mbps, 5,
Mbps,
and that one is 25.
25 Mbps. Let's put this one. On how I can change the bandwidth? On every interface level. So R4, I have two bandwidth. This side, this side. For this link, it is 50 Mbps. This link, it is 25 Mbps. Okay. And Mbps you cannot put, you need to modify it into kbps.
kbps.
Okay.
So what are we modifying it to? What are we changing it to?
Why we are changing this one, you are asking?
Yeah, you said we are changing the bandwidth.
No,
So
I just want to change the bandwidth so that I can show you how you can change the bandwidth.
yeah, I know, but I was trying to ask, what are
Hmm.
we changing it to?
What are
Is
we
it
can?
are we making okay, continue. When you
No,
get
no.
there,
Tell
you
me,
see.
tell me what is the doubt? Actually, not getting you.
Okay, I can see one is 50 Mbps,
Hmm.
another is 25, another one is 5.
Hmm.
So like the one that is 5, are
Hmm.
we also increasing that one to like maybe 25 as
No,
well?
no, 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 no. Okay, now I got it.
Mhm.
So now this is 50 Mbps, now 25 Mbps. Okay. For an example, suppose I want to send an traffic R5 to R6. Which path it will follow? Suppose R5, I will try to do a trace route. Let me. Sometimes in GNS, this trace route is not working properly. In this router, trace route is not working properly. Trace route 6.6.6.6. Trace route 6.6.6.6. Trace route 6.6.6.6. Okay. Now it is following which path?
192,
Direct.
146. Okay, so the formula for trace route like that. The
Yes.
first one that comes out, that's the route, and
Yes.
the other one are the bandwidth, the 20 milliseconds, those 2020. What are those?
Yes. These are the time. How many latency, how many time. These are fixed for this one. Like in Google,
Okay.
you can see the the return time, the packet, the TTL value, these are there. Okay. Now, from this one, R5 to R6, which path it is following? Direct path, you can see. 46.6,
Yes.
directly it is going.
46.6.
Okay.
Back to the
But when I will change this
6.
bandwidth, okay. Now, what is the bandwidth of this link? So, interface FA0 plus, which interface this one? FA0 by 1. What is the bandwidth? 1000. Sorry, 10,000.
10,000 kilobits,
Yes.
which is the same as
Means 100.
1,000 MB.
No, why 1000?
I said MB if you
Okay.
are using Mbps.
Yes. Yes. And what is the delay?
Delay is 1,000
1000. In fast
USECs.
Ethernet, it is by default 1000. The delay, microsecond. Okay. And here it is 10,000 kbps. Now, for every link, it is same by default. Now, suppose I will change this bandwidth. You can let me know which path it will follow. Suppose I will do this link as 5 Mbps, this one 50 Mbps, this one 25 Mbps. Which link will follow? I
Going
would
by the fast.
going by the fast. Yes, this one. Because my bandwidth will be increased regarding to this, so metric will be less, so it will proceed through the fast link. Okay, the maximum speed link, it will follow this one. So on that condition, what will be the use of this link? No use. But EIGRP provide you a technology that is known as the variance.
Okay.
suppose I am utilizing this link. Okay, it's good because this is the boot speed, but at least out of 100 packet, suppose I want to send 30 packet at least on this link or 20 packet, I can use this link. For this, I need to configure variance. Only protocol. This is the only protocol EIGRP. Again, I am telling this is the only protocol EIGRP that is supporting unequal cost path load balancing.
Load balancing.
By using variance. Got it?
Okay.
So I need to configure something, means I need to find what is the best path value and what is the worst path. It will be worst path FD divided by best path. Whatever value it will come, suppose it will come as the 3.4, I need to round it up. Then what will be the value? That value I need to put under the variance command, so that this link will also be utilized. Only EIGRP will support this one variance. Through that, I can use the unequal cost path load balancing. Okay. Now let's configure the link with proper Mbps. Okay, start from R4. R4 I have interface
Okay.
FA05. Yes, tell
Maybe
me.
just to make it clear, in front of the R4, you can put variance there. Change the balance. Okay. Or load balancing. Interface.
Okay,
Okay.
clear? Then
Yes.
when I will do the load balancing, I will write variance. Okay. Now
Okay.
interface FA0/1. What is the speed there? 50 Mbps. 50 Mbps means
Bandwidth.
50,000.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Okay. Yeah. KBPS.
And another one will be there. Interface F1 by
F0/1.
F1/0. In R4, I have two interface. F0
Okay.
slash 1.
I thought you are doing the other. Okay.
Okay. Now bandwidth will be 25,000. Clear?
Yes.
Now I need to go to R5. R5, I have F0/0. This one is 50. F0/1.
5.
It is 5,000. Yes or no?
Yes.
This will be the R5. Then I need to come to R6. F0/0, that is 25.
Yes.
F0/0. FA0/1.
5.
5. It's good. Okay. Oh, sorry. R5. Now I need to go to R6. Okay, till now, any doubt?
No.
Okay.
So now that you have configured the bandwidth,
Yes, just configure the bandwidth, nothing else.
all right. So
Hmm.
are we still going to set the variance again?
Variance after this I need to set, so that I can show you the least link, means the which link, that one 5 Mbps link also I can utilize.
Okay.
Okay. Clear? It's clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Now, what are the value you are getting? Suppose I want to see from the R6, I want to see for the R5. What are the value I am getting?
Is it
28
for FD?
for the
That's
5,
28.
for the 5 network.
Yes, yes. We are seeing 281 600 and
Yes.
then 665 600.
Okay. Now come for 5. So EIGRP. You can see if I want to go to this one, 258560. Suppose I want to go to this one. Okay. From R5, I want to go to 6. My FD is this one. This is the best path. And this is the worst path. Am I right? This thing
Yes.
is clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's do one thing in R6. What are the value? This is 281600. Is it possible for you to calculate this value, how it is being derived?
I think you divided it the other time.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, how the value is coming. Let's do it. Now, what will be my formula?
I
Bandwidth
think you
plus
said
delay. If I will combine all this formula, let's first this one, direct path, R5 to R6. Okay.
R5 to R6.
Direct path will count, then indirect path will count. Okay.
Okay.
R5 to R6. What is the time right now for you?
924.
9:24. Okay, okay. I think it will take more around 10 minutes more, 10-15. Okay.
Okay.
Metric. So how I can count this one? The total metric value is bandwidth plus delay. So 10 to the power 7 divided by bandwidth minimum plus delay. This is the, I have combined both bandwidth plus delay. You will get this one.
But am I going to be doing all this calculation?
No, you don't need to do. Just need to know.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is the metric formula. This is the complete metric formula. So what will be the 10 to the power 7? It will be the 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. What is the minimum bandwidth?
5.
Direct path. 5 means 5000 kbps.
Yes. Okay.
Plus what will be the total delay?
The value of delay is not shown
Okay.
since we have only bandwidth.
Okay. Delay, let me show you.
We didn't show the delay
R5
here.
if will go. So interface loopback 0. For every loopback, the delay will be 5000 by default.
Okay, by default.
By
5,000.
default, the delay for the loopback, the delay will be 5000. For the Ethernet link, it will be 1000. For the serial, it will be 20,000 delay.
Okay.
For the Ethernet, it will be 1000. Got it? For the serial,
Okay.
it will be 20,000. For the
That's fine.
loopback,
It will be 5.
It will be 5,000. Now I have one loopback. Okay, 5 is the loopback and one Ethernet link. So what will be the value? 5,000 plus 1,000.
6,000.
6,000 divided by 10 all into 256
times 256.
equal to 2600 into 256. Could you please use your mobile? You have your mobile with you?
Yes, you mean calculator?
Okay. Yes, yes. What
I
will
thought
be
you
the
can use the you can use the calculator on the computer.
okay?
You can even do this scientific.
256 into 26
26,000.
665 600. Exactly this value you are getting for the indirect direct path.
Okay.
For the direct path, you are getting this one.
Okay, that's how they got it for the FD.
Yes. Exactly this value you are getting here. What happened? 665 600 you are exactly getting here. Same way you can calculate this value R5, R4, R6. Just need to put same thing. It will be metric will be 10 to the power 7 means 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Divided by which is the minimum bandwidth? 25. Bandwidth minimum. Out of 50 and 25, which is minimum? 25.
25.
25 plus what is the delay? One loopback is 5,000. Another is it's the Ethernet 1,000. It is 1,000. No, here it will be 5,000. I will follow this path. One link it's 1,000. Another link is also there. Then it will reach to R6. So 7,000.
7,000
divided by 10.
times 256. But why can't you use the scientific calculator on the lab computer to do it?
Means
Yeah.
yes, directly.
Scientific.
This calculator also you can do 1100 into 256. It will be 281,600.
281,600. Okay.
281,600. Are you able to see exactly the same value? 281,600.
Okay, that's if you use the other route or the other path.
Okay. So you can no need to calculate, but you need to know how I can calculate. Now it's clear for you how I am calculating this value.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now if I will go to this one, R5. So IP root 6.0.0.0. You can see the traffic share count is 1. Means it is not share count. Means it is following the, I don't know if it will work or not. Sometimes here you can see it is following the indirect path. Yes or no?
Okay. Yes.
Because of the cost. And you can see share count is 1. Means it is following only one. No share counting. It is not sharing. It is not load balancing. It is this share count is directly 1. To overcome this position, I have a technology.
So,
yes, tell me.
when you do a trace route and it shows more than one or multiple IP address paths like that,
That means That means my first packet is going to, when I am trying to trace route, means I will see from R5, if I want to go to 6.6.6, which path I am following. Okay, on which
Okay.
path? Yes.
Okay. Can you do me a favor now?
Yes, tell me.
Maybe on command prompt. On command prompt, if you try to do maybe trace routes google.com, trace routes,
I think there's RT here.
yeah,
Trace.
trace rt google.com.
Trace RT. 8.8.8. This one?
What if you type it full instead of Google DNS?
Here actually what will happen, let me type Google DNS. You can
Okay.
see.
Okay, so my question now is, as it has given about 6, 7, 8, 9, so almost eight like that. Are those different routes it has to take altogether?
These are the different routes. Actually, I don't
So,
know where this IP actually is being configured. This is
but
providing the IP.
those ones look like MAC addresses.
Yes. No, this is the IPv6 address.
Okay,
2001.
okay,
Hmm.
IPv6.
Hmm.
Okay, okay. So does that mean all those eight routes or eight paths were used to get
To
to
get to
the
8.8.8.8.
all
I think
right?
Google is this one, 8.8.8.8, no, google.com. But 8.8.8.8 is, you can see now.
Okay, it's showing the IP address now.
I don't know whose IP address this one. This one is mine. It is releasing from my side. Okay.
Okay.
Then it is going to this one, public. Then it is going to the Airtel.
Okay, so it is following in
Okay.
sequence.
Yes, it is following its sequence. Okay.
So this is my question. This is what I want to get.
Yes.
I've been
This is,
doing it all this while. I never understood exactly
no, it means
it
for
is doing.
6.6.6, 8.8, fast path, it is this one. It is my IP. Then it is go to
Then
this one, public. Then it is the Airtel,
your
my service.
ISP,
Yes, my service
ISP.
provider, ISP. Then again, it will go
Then
to
that one
somewhere.
forwarded it to that one
This is this one.
continuously.
Then the last one is
So
Google.
that's the destination.
Yes.
Wow. Finally now. It's okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now, if sometimes you will get the star in your environment, you will get the
Yeah,
star bar. That
yeah,
is
I used to get it, but I
the
never
firewall.
understood.
That is the firewall. If in between any in your environment, any firewall will be there, the trace route will be blocked. You will get star.
So the star, is it they don't want you to see the IP address or what?
No, you cannot see the IP address there because that will be the firewall will be there. In firewall, it is blocked.
Oh, I see.
Once your firewall will be passed, then you can see again. Got it? In firewall, it will be just star.
Okay.
Okay. Now I have the technology that right now I cannot use that link. My share count is 1. I am not able to share count this one. I am following only the other link. I am not able to use the 5 Mbps. For that, what I need to do, variance. What is my best worst value? 665,600. And what will be my worst value? 281,600. What will be? 665,600 divided by 281,600. 2.36. 2.36. Every time when you will get a value 2.3, any value 2.1, 2.2, 2.8, 2.9, 2.3, you need to make
Okay.
it up to next one. Dot 3.
To
Like it's not
round
like
it
that
up.
2.3 means it's 2, like our mathematics. No. Here you need to round up to the next digit. 2.3, 2.1, 2.9, everything will be 3. Got it? This is my variance value. This is variance. Now
Okay, so
yes,
are we going to use a command to?
yes, I need to use the command.
Okay, on each router or just
No,
one?
only on the R5.
Okay, R5 variance. Okay, that's the ASM. Variance 3. That's all.
That's it.
Okay, once again, the 2.8 something again. Where did we see it?
2.8 also it will be 3.
Yeah, I know. Where did we see it in the on the devices? Or you just summarized it?
No, I just divide this one. The worst path divided by best path. Means you can see on the R6 from the R5, this link.
Okay, 281,600
Yes, 665
divided.
600 divided by 281 600. You are getting 3.36.
Okay, then you round it up.
Yes.
So that's the variance.
Worst path divided by best path. This is my
Okay,
worst path.
the host part, can you spell it? Are you saying HOST or worst?
No. Worst.
Which is bad? Worst,
Yes.
worst, bad.
Bad.
Bad parts.
Divided by best path. FD. Means
Okay.
6,
So
5.
in my the largest FD is the worst,
Yes.
and then the smaller is the
Best.
best.
Yes.
Okay.
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 Now, if I will do this one. Okay. Now, if I'll go to R6. Why it is not still doing the share count, traffic count is 1, R6. It should be share count, why it is not? I put on R5. Oh, sorry, I put router EIGRP 100. Should be router EIGRP 1.
I was wondering, but I was trying to see if you are referring to the other IP addresses you advertised. Okay, variance 3.
Now you can see my share count is 31. Now I am share count means 31. I can use the other link 56.6. Okay, 31 and 70. I can use the other path. Means around 3. Means if I will send 3 packet on the worst link, another path I will send other. Means out of 100, 70 I can use, 69 I can use on the good path, 31 I can use the less bandwidth. This is the reason I am doing the share count. You can see traffic share count. Here 80 will go, here 31 will be go. This path I will send traffic share count is 80. Here it will go 31. If you will divide, you will get a near value. If you will divide this one 80 divided by 31, you can get near to this 3. You can get it. On this, I can, this share count is 80, here share count is 31. Now you can use this link also through this variance. Okay, let me provide you this one. That's it for today.
So you configure the variance on R
R5.
R6. Okay, go back to the topology.
Okay.
Okay, R5. So
Just
that's
I will be
variance.
back in 2 minutes. Just someone is calling. Just 2 minutes.
Okay.
Yes, tell me.
Yeah, I think it's okay.
Okay, it's okay. Let me put on the chat. I have already put
You,
it. Yes.
you already put it here.
Okay.
I copied it.
You have pasted this one? Okay. Okay. So I think it's EIGRP is completed now. Next class or next for you Friday, for me Saturday, we will go into the
OSPF.
This will 3 days. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. For me. For you,
Okay.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
All right.
Good night for you. Bye.
Yeah, thank you.